Today we'll be making healthy and delicious mango banana smoothies. Enjoy! The ingredients are 2 bananas, 1 cup of mangoes, and about 2 cups of ice. Let's begin! First, peel the bananas and then cut and peel the mangoes. We are using very ripe bananas and mangoes, so you will not need any sugar in this recipe. This is optional. You may add 2 teaspoons of chia seeds in this recipe. Let's cut and peel a few more mangoes to make it 1 cup of mangoes. Begin adding the chia seeds into the blender. Then add the bananas and mangoes. Now add about 2 cups of ice. Cover and mix well in the blender for about 2 minutes.